a world where dreams, innovations, and community projects receive financial boost without the burden of repayment. Imagine a world that has a pot that anyone can just step in to get funds to unleash their goals or the potentials that they have for the community. Well, welcome to the realm of grants. These aren't just funds, they are catalysts that transform visions into reality. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a researcher on the brink of breakthrough, or a community leader aiming to make a difference, dive in with us as we unveil the world of grants. Hello, my name is Molen Mukuze, the Managing Director of Brendmo Accountants, an accounting firm that helps business navigate the world of businesses. We're talking about grants in finance today. Let's start by defining what are grants. Grants are non-repayable funds or products disbursed by party or often government departments, corporation, foundation, or trust to recipient, but not always non-profit entity to institution, business, individuals. Grants are sums of money given for specific purpose. And you don't need to pay back. There is no payback the money on grants. Let's look at the key points about grants. Point number one, the purpose. Grants are usually provided for a specific objective or project, such as research, community development, or setting up a new business venture. The recipient is typically required to use the funds only for a designated purpose. This should trigger the fact that the business will want some form of assurance, or the grantor will want some form of assurance that you are going to use the grants for that specific purpose. Number two, grants are competitive. The process is very competitive. Many grants are awarded through competitive application process. So applicants must submit a proposal detailing how they will use the funds, and grantors select recipients based on the merit and feasibility of their proposal. So if you want a grant, make sure your house is in order and you have a good proposal. Grants require accountability. Once a grant is awarded, recipients may be required to even provide updated reports or financial reports to demonstrate how the funds are being used. Are they being used in the intended manner? So you need good accountants who understand the numbers, and the numbers, remember, have a voice. So there are a lot of various sources of grants. Grants can come from various sources, including the government, the local government, the private corporation, and even charitable foundations. So the difference between grants and loan, unlike loans, grants do not need to be repaid. However, if the grantee does not use the funds as per agreement, they might be required to return back. There are various types of grants, such as research grants, small business grants, non-profit grants, educational grants, and many more. Each type is tailored to support specific activities or specific sector. There are conditions and restrictions also for grants. Most grants come with conditions and restrictions. For example, a research grant might stipulate that the findings or whatever you are researching on, you should make it public, or you should create a certain number of jobs. So in summary, grants are financial awards given to support specific projects or purposes. They can play a crucial role in fostering innovation, supporting community initiatives, and promoting various societal objectives. So starting a small business in South Africa as well can be financially challenging, but there are various grants available in South Africa. These grants are designated to support and promote small businesses, fostering economic growth and job creation. So I'm going to talk about 5 grants that are available in South Africa. Number 1 is the National Empowerment Fund, the NEF. So the NEF offers financial and non-financial support to Black entrepreneurs in South Africa. They provide various funding solutions, including startup and expansion capital. So for you to be eligible, so primarily it's aimed at Black-owned and managed businesses or projects that demonstrate economic viability and the ability to generate employment. Right? That's the NEF. Number 2 is your SEDA, which is the Small Enterprise Development Agency. So SEDA provides non-financial support to small businesses in the form of training, mentorship, and business development. While they don't directly offer grants, they can guide entrepreneurs to potential funding source. To be eligible, small enterprises, you need to be focusing in various sectors that they support depending on the specific program or initiative. That's how you can be eligible. That's SEDA. So number 3 is the Department of Small Business Development. The DSBD offers grants and financial support to small businesses through various programs such as the Black Business Supplier Development Programs and the Cooperative Incentive Schemes. So the requirements vary depending on the specific program, but they generally target SMEs and cooperatives in South Africa. Number 4, and my last one, very big one, is the Industrial Development Corporation, which is your IDC. So IDC provides funding for entrepreneurs engaged in various sectors, including manufacturing, mining, agriculture, tourism, and etc. They offer both financial and non-financial support. So the eligibility criteria is businesses or projects that fall within IDC's specified sectors and can demonstrate the economic viability. Okay, I still have one last one that I had forgotten. The Technology Industry Agency, TIA. So the TIA focuses on supporting technological innovation. They offer funding and support to projects and businesses that develop new technologies or use existing technologies innovatively. So that's innovation. So the entrepreneurs that are in research or business involved in technological innovation, they're actually eligible for that, especially those with solutions that can help with societal challenges that the economy or South African economy is facing. So in conclusion, it's very important to know the grants available for your business. Who knows? Maybe you might not need to bury your dream under the ground because of lack of funding. I hope you have found this video useful. If yes, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Meet you in the next video. Bye.